Okay, so I was going to do like a midweek check-in. I'm almost embarrassed to do so, but something I need to do. And when I walked away from doing my last video, I put something in my mouth to eat, and I realized I had just touched money. So I want to make sure we don't do that again. So I wanted to show you, I got this from Amazon during the pandemic, and I still have a whole lot left. We usually just wash our hands, but I want to make sure I don't make a mistake and put anything in my mouth, because money is like one of the most disgusting things you could ever touch. I've seen way too many documentaries on that. So I use this. I'm just going to keep this here on my desk. You probably don't need to see me do this, but I wanted to show you this is so much better. And these little things are 98 cents, I think, from Walmart. So don't buy the small ones. It's not worth it. All right, so on to my midweek check-in. Where are we? So gas has $20 in there still. I took $10 out. Well, I took more than $10 out. Gas had the $100. I took $70 out for my road trip, and then I just took another $10 just to make it an even $80 for the road trip. So let me put that down. Okay, let's see. Road trip, 10. Okay, so that leaves 20 for gas. I don't use a lot of gas. I'm able to work from home 2 days a week, and I have a small 4-cylinder car, and I don't have a life, so there is not many places that I go throughout the week. Plus, I'm a homebody, so dining out has nothing. We have been very bad with dining out. We ate out a few times. We got snacks, McDonald's, so there's nothing left. And I think we're going to do a challenge next week. My daughter's 13, so a lot of the decisions that I make, I also run by with her. I want to possibly do a no dining out challenge. So we want to see if we can at least go 2 weeks without using any money in here. So I will still stuff it, but we're going to try not to touch it. We'll try. We'll see. Okay, entertainment has $15 left in there, which we probably won't use. So that'll be good, because when I get back, I get paid again a couple days afterwards. So there's really not time to do anything during the week just yet until summer's out. All right, and miscellaneous has only $5. Nope. Miscellaneous has nothing left. Miscellaneous has nothing left because I went to the Dollar Tree and got a few more trip supplies. So next trip I take, I know that I will have to budget for trip supplies. I have a separate budget for that. But for now, there's nothing left in miscellaneous. The kids shopping has $30 left, which I will probably go ahead and put that in the purple binder. So let me do that now. And again, I said that the purple binder is going to be one that I set aside just for my daughter. So kids shopping. And I'll go over what the sinking funds, because we did spend some sinking funds this week. Boy, we have been busy. With the long weekend out, though, I think that kind of contributed to it. We didn't want to stay in the house. Beauty, I did get my toes done, not my nails. Excuse my nails. I do them myself, and I did them poorly this time. So I am going to redo them. It's like the time that you need it to be super duper nice, it's not. And then when you have nowhere to go, it comes out perfect. I don't know if that's like a psychological thing or what, but self-sabotage, I don't know. It's terrible. And this is just some receipts. I did have some change in here. There's a quarter left, but I went to get a car wash, and we used a lot of it for vacuuming. So that'll just go. I did download someone in the comments, and this is why I love comments. She told me about Amanda's Budget. It's a YouTuber here, and she had a coin challenge. So I did download that, and I will be doing the coin challenge. So I'll get that together and show you in another video. Okay, I almost forgot to show you the sinking funds we did spend. We spent out of this sinking funds binder is just for things that are for her. So the shopping still has some left in it. Summer activities is the only one that we spent out of, and we spent, let's see. I should probably know that by heart, but I don't. $22, so that's not bad. We went to the beach, and I had to pick up some sunscreen, so because ours expired in like 2020. I don't know what I've been doing for the last few years, but we got a new one. Everything else is the same as what I stuffed, except for savings. I took an extra $100 out from her savings account to try to get more clothes, but I ended up changing my mind. So I put, instead of going back to the bank and returning it, I just split it up between the categories. So I put some in back to school, I put some in birthday, and I think, let's see, and I had put 50 in summer activities. So summer activities, I put 50, 25 in back to school, and 25 in September birthday. So it still all went to her, but I didn't want to take it back to the bank. So, I mean, it's going to get used on her anyway, regardless. So that's it. I wanted just to show you that one. But for now, that is my midweek check-in. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see anything different, if you have any suggestions. But that's all for me today. Thank you so much. Happy saving.